Hello kids! Today we will learn colors. Are you ready? Let's learn colors. This is red. Red is a bright color. Can you say red? Apple is red in color. This is blue. Blue is a cool color. Can you say blue? Sky is blue in color. This is orange. Orange is a warm color. Can you say orange? Orange is orange in color. This is yellow. Yellow is a happy color. Can you say yellow? Banana is yellow in color. This is white. White is a light color. Can you say white? White door. Door is white in color. This is pink. Pink is a lovely color. Can you say pink? Pink box. Box is pink in color. This is black. Black is a dark color. Can you say black? Ink is black in color. This is green. Green is a fresh color. Can you say green? Green grass. Grass is green in color. This is purple. Purple is a beautiful color. Can you say purple? Brinjal is purple in color. This is gray. Gray is a soft color. Can you say gray? Gray fish. Fish is gray in color. This is brown. Brown is a natural color. Can you say brown? Basket is brown in color. This is light yellow. Light yellow is a soft color. Can you say light yellow? Light yellow toy. Toy is light yellow in color. This is peach. Peach is a soft color. Can you say peach? Light orange sand. Sand is light orange in color. This is teal. Teal is a calm color. Can you say teal? Teal. Teal cycle. Cycle is teal in color. This is maroon. Maroon is a dark red color. Can you say maroon? Frock is maroon in color. This is beige. Beige is a light color. Can you say beige? Sulfur is beige in color. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tap the bell icon for more fun videos.